So Kuala Lumpur has absolutely amazing food. Whatever it is that you want, more than likely Kuala Lumpur will have it. And even though it's absolutely delicious and also convenient to eat out every day, it's also very expensive. And so if you are going to be here a while, I highly recommend that you do some grocery shopping, especially if you're the type of person who cooks, or maybe just want some snacks so that you're not constantly eating out. So how much is this going to cost you? Well, let me show you what I got today for the grocery so you can kind of get an idea about what you get and about how much you're going to pay. So this is something that I am learning, that grocery stores, they're not as widely available. Most of the times I find them in malls, okay? And everything else is convenience stores so far. So first thing, I got some chocolate chips. I got some Kleenex. And then got some tea. And baking powder. Got some stuff for my shoes. Some tom yum chips. Some seasoned pepper, and then we get to some fruits right here, some Asian pear, and this strawberry apple. I really like those. And I just got a drink right here. And finally, I got some salads, 1 pack and then 2 pack here. So for all of this, it was around 130 ringgit. So let me show you what I have here. So 130.25. And how much is that in US dollars? Well, 130 ringgit is approximately $29. So basically 30 US dollars for all of this. And obviously your mileage may vary depending upon what you need. And if you have a family, it is going to cost more. But that's kind of what you get with this. And if you're the type of person who can cook, then you could probably spend around this much and have, you know, maybe a week's worth of cooking without having to go out and eat every day. So that's kind of what you can expect if you go grocery shopping in Kuala Lumpur. I highly recommend you look into it if you are going to be here for a longer period of time. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.